Shalom, everybody. This week we continue our Exodus Rebuild series. We have had a physical deliverance from the bondage of Egypt. And now, after the physical deliverance, our Father calls us to spiritual strength. How do we rebuild when we need times that God is guiding us forward? It's a raw, cold morning here at North Peninsula State Park. Sometimes we can have raw emotions too. Raw emotions of desire, of need, of disappointment, and of hopefulness. Which raw emotion are we going to choose this week? I found something on the raw, cold mornings that you find the best light you can and you find warmth there. Sometimes when we're rebuilding, we don't need light everywhere, we do need light somewhere. So this Shabbat, the Lord will give us the light that causes us to expect good things again. It's going to be a great Shabbat. I'll see you on campus and online. Shalom, shalom.